Good morning po. Sige, pasok ka. Ako po yung si Princess Viva Star. You may sit down.
So, hi Princess, how are you today?
Okay naman po, ma'am. Medyo stress lang po sa mga decision ko sa future.
I understand. It's normal to feel that way, especially that you're about to graduate. Marami kang mga decisions na kailangan pag-isipan. But don't worry, we're here to talk through it. So, what's on your mind right now about your future?
Kasi parang hindi ko pa po alam ma'am kung ano ang course ang kukunin ko. Parang gusto ko po sanang magturo, pero hindi ko po sure kung yun ba talaga yung tamang path para sa akin.
Okay, so you're considering a career in education. That's great. Teaching can be very rewarding, especially if you have a passion for helping others. I'd like to know, what subject or activities do you enjoy most sa school? Ano yung mga bagay na kinahihitigan mong gawin?
Actually po, gusto ko po ang English at History. Parang nakaka-enjoy po ako mag-share ng ideas sa klase. Tapos minsan nga po, tinutulungan ko yung mga kaklase ko kung di nila naiintindihan ng lessons.
That's great. It seems like you really enjoy explaining things and helping others to understand. That's a great quality for a teacher. Kung gusto mo magturo, you can choose to specialize in a subject like English or History. May mga options din tayo for teachings for younger kids or even high school students. Have you thought about what age group you'd like to teach?
I think po, I'd like teaching high school students. Kasi po, parang doon ko rin po naisip magka-career ako in education. Kasi yun din po ang experience ko.
That makes sense. Kung high school student ang gusto mong turuan, you can specialize in your subject, like becoming an English or history teachers. Pero meron ding ibang paths sa educational world considering, tulad ng pagiging school counselor or even a special education teachers. If you are interested in helping students who might need extra support, that could be a good fit. What do you think?
Interesting din yung school counseling. Parang gusto ko din matulungan yung mga estudyante sa pagpili ng kanilang career path.
That's a really nice thought. Career counseling is a huge part of helping students navigate their future. You could consider studying educational psychology or guidance counseling. There are a lot of different ways to help students, whether it's through teaching a specific subject or guidance them through their academic and personal challenges. Have you looked into courses offered in educational sa mga universities?
Not yet po, medyo po maraming decision kaya po hindi ko po alam kung saan magsisimula.
Okay lang yan. Let's take it steps by step. You can start by researching school and strong educational programs. If you're interested in teaching, look for universities that offer bachelor in secondary education with a focus on English or history. If you're leaning towards counseling, you might look at a degree in guidance and counseling or educational psychology. Maganda rin mag-visit sa mga school na interesado pa at magtanong tungkol sa mga programs nila. If you want, I can help you list down some options and guide you through the applicational process.
Okay po, I'd really appreciate that. Gusto ko po sana matulungan sa pag-research ng schools.
Of course, I'm happy to help them. And while you're deciding, you could also consider volunteering or doing an internship sa mga school. This way, you'll get a feel for what it's like to be a teacher or a counselor. I could really help you decide which career path is best for you. Have you thought about trying that?
Hindi pa po. Parang magandang ideya nga po. Pwede ko po sigurong makita kung talagang magugustuhan ko ba yung career ninyo.
Exactly. Real-world experience is one of the best ways to see if a job is really for you. You can also connect with teachers or counselor and ask about your experiences. Marami kang matututunan sa mga conversations na iyon.
Tama po, para malinaw kung ano ang trabaho nila. Pero paano ko po malalaman kung teaching talaga ang para sa akin?
Good question. I think one of the best ways to know is to reflect on what truly excites you about teaching. Do you love helping others learn? Do you find joy in creating lessons plan or guiding people through difficult tasks? If you enjoy seeing others succeed because of your help, teaching could be a great fit. And remember, you don't have to have everything figured out right away. Career paths are sometimes winding and that's okay.
Parang okay lang pala na mag-explore muna. Hindi ko naman pala kailangan ng madali.
Exactly. Take your time, explore your options. You don't have to decide everything right now. Just take small steps towards your goals. And I'm here to guide you through the process. You have a lot of opportunities ahead, and I know you'll find the right fit for you.
Thank you po. I feel better now. I think I'll start researching po about the courses in school na pinag-uusapan natin.
You're welcome and glad to hear that. Just remember, it's okay to be unsure at times. What's important is that you're exploring and making fun choices. Let's meet again soon, and we can talk about your options. Okay lang ba yun?
Okay po, maraming salamat po. I keep you updated po sa mga research ko.
I'm excited for you. I'm sure you'll make a great choice. Take care and good luck, princess.